Welcome to Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. Sit back and watch another episode as I explore and fish lakes and rivers in Wisconsin and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, using various artificial baits and techniques. In this short episode, I had met up with Hernan from Hernan's Real Game YouTube channel for some Thursday evening fishing at Wind Lake. The topwater bass bite was extremely tough, with the bass short striking and just rolling at the topwater lures. This pike saved the evening, so it wasn't a skunk.
Finally! Here we go, folks. Wind Lake Pike.
Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you'd like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.